When creating natural-looking dental prosthetics, getting the right tone is of particular importance. Until today, in order to achieve sufficiently aesthetic results, restorations made of zirconia had to be manually colored after milling and then subjected to a time-consuming drying process. The use of different colored discs so far only led to monochrome results. But natural tooth substance only comes truly alive through its color gradient. KATANA Zirconia ML, the first multi-layered zirconia blanks with a color gradient. KATANA Zirconia ML discs are produced with a color gradient from the neck of the tooth to the occlusal surface, as it is the case in natural teeth. In that way, fully colored crowns, bridges or polychromatic frameworks that correspond to the natural color gradient of a tooth already emerge during milling. With KATANA Zirconia ML discs by Kurare Noritake, dipping and drying are no longer necessary. Thus, predictable polychromatic reproducible results are achieved. By positioning the crown according to the height of the disc, the desired color tone and gradient can be attuned even more precisely. These results can be reproduced time and again. The milled restorations can be polished or glazed directly after sintering. The simple and quick way to aesthetic results. In addition, the polychromatic zirconia frameworks are an ideal base for highly aesthetic veneering. KATANA Zirconia ML polychromatic discs enable process reliability that has never been seen before. Natural and predictable color results directly after milling. KATANA Zirconia ML. Zirconia discs with a natural tooth-shaded color gradient.